All right, guys, so here are all of the Jeffree Star Valentine's mystery boxes. I'm sure you're all familiar with what each one is at this point. Well, we have the full spoilers for the premium box. So the premium box was the $60 box. It was the smallest of the options. It was supposed to have 4 items, 3 of which would be exclusive.
Guys, hey, I'm here with Mark. You guys know he runs with me and the team. Now we want to quickly tell you guys about Hi Cherries, the website. We've been working on the performance and we do have a few updates to give you to make sure you guys have a very seamless checkout and a shipping amazing experience. All right, Mark?
Yeah, I mean, one thing you're going to notice tomorrow is that Afterpay will not be on for the first 2 hours. The reason for that is we need everyone to have a wonderful experience, which is obviously what we want. And we've had a few issues with people having bad confirmations and oversell, and we're not going to be dealing with that this year.
No, so ma'am.
We're going to be trying a few things, making sure the site is working better and better every launch, keeping you guys happy, and of course the shipping. And it's going to go out fast. We've got a huge new department, and you're going to get your stuff in a very timely manner this time.
Yes, so you will get it way before Valentine's. There will not be a 2-week lead time. We're amped up and we're ready.
All right, so here we have the very first item in the premium box. It is a red beanie or toboggan. And as you can see down here, we have the little 3-heart logo. In the pink heart, I definitely can see the Jeffree Star logo. So there is item number 1. Here we have the second item in the premium box. This is the gloss from Jeffree Star in Succulent. So this is an exclusive shade. Here is where he was showing the picture, would not show the shade, but saying that there would be an exclusive gloss. It is an absolutely gorgeous, looks like a light pink sparkly gloss, and I know this would work so well with so many skin tones and so many other lip products, or even alone by itself. All right, so here we have yet again another infamous pop socket. However, you can see this one is actually super cute in a baby pink with the white Jeffree Star logo. Here it is, y'all. I am so happy. I was really hoping this would be it or one of the Extreme Frost, but in all honesty, I'm so happy that it is the Alien palette. Yes, we are getting the Alien palette in the premium box. Just in case you forgot what the Alien palette looks like, here is a little refresher. It is so beautiful, and I am so happy that since he discontinued it, we now have the opportunity to get it again without paying an arm and a leg on Mercari or Poshmark. So I hope you enjoy.